Having audio stems for your music track is incredible for your videos. Now, working with stems can be quite tedious because you'll have 6 audio tracks that you have to try and keep in sync. So today I'm going to show you the ultimate workflow for working with audio stems in Final Cut Pro. So what we're going to do is find our audio tracks here in our library. We're going to right click, we're going to assign audio roles, and we're going to edit the roles within our track. After that, we're going to come up here and find this sub role button. From here, we can click and add sub roles for each of these tracks. So I will first add bass, and then I will add in effects, keys, percussion, strings, and finally synths. Now we can push apply. Now what we need to do is go onto each of these tracks and assign an audio role. So we right click, assign audio roles, and go down and select the corresponding roles. So we have synths, then we go to strings, percussion, keys, so on and so forth. After that, we're going to select them all, drag them to the timeline. We'll push Shift Z so we can see them all. And we're just going to drag them to the left-hand side just so that we can get them all in sync. After that, select them all, right click and select new compound clip. And I'm just going to label this as music. We now have this compound clip up here. Now, typically the music is going to be peaking because the audio tracks are independently loud and they aren't mastered all together. So you're going to need to bring it down a few decibels. After that, we can push Shift Z again. This is where the magic happens. I'm going to right click and select expand audio components. Now, nothing happened just yet, but if we come up here to our music settings, we can click on the roles and change it to sub roles. So now we can see each individual track within the compound clip. So I can actually expand or compress this with Control Option S. Editor Dylan here. For those of you that don't use keyboard shortcuts, you can right click, go to expand audio components, and boom, you can see them all. And we can very easily work with all of these tracks without them getting out of sync. So I can push R and get the range selection and delete sections of it very quickly if I want to. I could also push Option and add some individual keyframes on a specific track within this compound clip, or we can apply an effect to the entire clip. So I could select Cathedral, drag that onto the top clip, and now they will all have Cathedral, or I can drag it to a specific clip and only that one track will have the Cathedral effect. Then when I'm done, I can push Control Option S. They're all compressed nice and small. You don't have to see all those tracks on your timeline, and you don't have to worry about them getting out of sync. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn way more about audio roles, I have a great tutorial for that right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.